Coming up later this week on YouTube, you'll see a lot of video from the villages. I have over an hour and 40 minutes of video already, plus the train show haul, which I haven't done yet. But you could see it all on that other place where you could see all this right here also. Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. So come check it out. But here's a little sneak peek of the villages right here. But first, let me show you what we got on the workbench right now. I'm in the middle of painting the foundation. I got to put another coat, or else I got to put a coat of India ink on there. But Friday night we painted this right here, among other things. But you can see all that, everything that I do at that other place. So check it out. Now here's the little sneak peek for you. Good morning, everybody. It's finally September 20th, 2025. We're on our way to the villages. It's 7:01, and we just got enough light to do the video here. It's 74 degrees and a little bit overcast, and we're on our way. It takes about 2 hours and 21 minutes, and we're about 15 minutes into the trip. I got Wawa coffee. We're going to stop in Davenport for breakfast at Chick-fil-A, and after that it's about another hour and 15 minutes from there. So we should get up there by a little after 9 o'clock or so. You ready to go in? Yeah, I forgot the coupons, but I picked one up at the table.
Okay. All right.
Here we go inside. All right. A lot of people here today. There's Zitnika there. This is as you walk in the door. We got some test tracks over here. All right. So let's go and see what we can find. Okay, do I want Dr. Pepper or YMCA? 20 bucks a piece. That process for the We found a nice comfortable place over here, a nice big couch. All right, there's the media room in there. Oh, we got some birds here. Look at that. All right. Yeah, and they're fake. Okay. I think this is the longest we spent at a train show here at the villages. It is 1:35, so that means we've been here for 4 hours already. And we picked up a few things, so you'll be able to see what we got at the train show haul. Got some good stuff. Stuff that I don't need, but stuff that we could use, look at, say it's cute. Huh?
It's so cute.
It's so cute, huh? Yeah, there you go.